Hello, it looks like the heat is going to continue to be the story for a large swathe of Europe over the coming days, particularly for Scandinavia, northwest Europe and the UK. But showers have also been making headlines, some of them heavy and thundery. This is the earlier satellite picture, so the cloud associated with the heavy showers, and you can see them here, those brighter colours just showing the intensity of the rainfall across parts of Germany, Poland and eventually down into the Balkans as well. But head further south and east, a different story. Dry, plenty of sunshine, temperatures widely in the low 30s Celsius, some places nudging closer to 34 or 35. A little bit cooler though for northeastern parts of Spain, more cloud, some showers here, and some of those will extend into parts of southwest France. And again, those showers just picking up on the French, Swiss, Italian borders, bringing some heavy and in places thundery downpours. But the heat continues in Scandinavia and temperatures will only continue to rise over the coming days. Notice how those showers eventually do start to slip away a little bit further south and eastwards, leaving many places dry to start the new working week on Monday with plenty of sunshine. You can see here temperatures responding accordingly. 33 Celsius in Paris, could well get up to 31 or 32 in London through the week, and that sunshine extends into Madrid and Rome. The showers ease away from Germany, but notice how they push further eastward, so Moscow and Kiev could catch some through the week. Hello, we've seen some violent storms across parts of the United States this week. Iowa reported 27 tornadoes on Thursday. Now, here's the earlier satellite picture, so you can see the cloud associated with these storms pulling their way eastwards out of the Midwest. Another bank of cloud along the eastern seaboard, which will be running its way northwards through the weekend. So it's almost a two-pronged attack for eastern states through this weekend. Further storms to come, heavy, thundery, squally winds. Still the chance of a tornado. Further north and west across parts of British Columbia and Alberta, we've had the wildfires, but just to the north of this, we've got some heavy and thundery showers, and that could bring 70 to 90 millimetres of rain through the weekend. Now notice how the colours change from the yellows to the oranges and the deep reds, and that gives you an idea of the temperature as we go through the weekend. Now Dallas, for example, broke some temperature records earlier in the week, reaching 108 Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius, similar temperatures here through the weekend. Somewhat cooler and more pleasant with some sunshine in Vancouver, 25 or 26 Celsius here. Now along the east coast, yes, got to watch out for those storms, but in between there'll be some spells of sunshine, and that's going to help the temperatures rise. Certainly you can see those colours deepening as you move further inland, so no respite from the heat for southern states. So yes, really a mixture along the east coast through the weekend of some spells of sunshine, but also some heavy and thundery showers. Hello, we'll take a look at the forecast for Central America and the Caribbean in just a moment's time. First to South America and the bigger picture, the earlier satellite picture. So we're looking at the cloud over the last 24 hours, this speckling of cloud picking out where we've had the heavy and in places thundery showers through Venezuela and Colombia, some of those extending down into parts of Peru as well. But I'm sure you can see very little rain once again across much of Brazil. Here it continues dry. And even where we have the showers, in between there will be some spells of sunshine. In fact, temperatures over the coming days through Venezuela, Colombia and Brazil, actually, for that matter, going to be a few degrees above where they should be for the time of year. As we head further south, of course, it turns cooler. Buenos Aires, 13 Celsius on Sunday. In fact, those temperatures will start to dip away through next week. And across Chile, there will be a lot of cloud. So yes, for Buenos Aires through the week, despite dry with plenty of sunshine, 11 or 12 Celsius is the maximum temperature that we can see. There'll be a lot of cloud continuing in Peru as well. Now across to Mexico and Central America, where there'll be a lot of sunshine, but again, the showers really never too far away, and some of those will be turning more heavy and thundery as we head down towards Panama and Costa Rica, but very few showers across much of the Caribbean. Plenty of sunshine here, 32, 33 Celsius, the daytime high. And here's our city forecast. Little change really through the next week. It stays dry with plenty of sunshine, maybe just a few showers towards the end of the week. Hello, we'll get the forecast for Australia and New Zealand in just a moment's time. First, a look at the bigger picture, the earlier satellite picture. Let's talk about a tropical storm. This is Tropical Storm Amphil, bringing some heavy rain and strong winds to the southern islands of Japan through the first half of the weekend. As we go into Sunday, that transfers to mainland China, to the east coast. And again, that could bring gusts of up to 80 miles an hour, as much as 100 millimetres of rain. Behind that, you'll notice that heat continues across Japan and Korea. And we've got further heavy rain to come across Vietnam, Laos and Thailand, the remnants of a previous tropical storm. Not so many showers across much of Indonesia and Malaysia, and in the sunshine, 32 or 33 Celsius. There'll be lots of sunshine continuing in Japan. You can see that those temperatures do not really drop away through the week. There'll be some heavy thundery showers around in Bangkok, but again, also some spells of sunshine. Allow for some thunderstorms across southwest of Australia through the second half of the weekend. Some strong winds as well. Meanwhile, further east, high pressure keeping things settled, dry. Plenty of sunshine by day, but some chilly nights. And expect a frost in many places. Now, New Zealand has had a fairly settled week, but the weekend been a little bit different. More rain for far north of the North Island and some more rain and cloud coming into the South Island as well. Some snow over the mountains. Lots more sunshine to come through Sydney through the rest of the week. But yes, will be quite chilly to start the day. Bye-bye. Hello, it looks like the main focus of the heaviest rain over the next few days will continue to be across northeastern parts of India. We've had an area of low pressure develop in the Bay of Bengal and has been enhancing the rainfall in this part of the world. So we've got the earlier satellite picture here. You can see there are some holes in the cloud further west. So while, yes, more rain to come, won't be raining all the time, where that cloud thins and breaks, some strong sunshine and probably not as much rain along the western side of India as we've seen in recent days. I'm sure your eyes are drawn to the brighter colours further north and east, and warnings remain in place here for further heavy rain, and that's likely to bring some flooding. Head further north and the story is all about the heat across parts of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. 42 Celsius in Tashkent on Sunday. Those values will start to slowly dip away through next week. Those showers get going through the eastern side of Pakistan. But notice how that rain is perhaps not quite as heavy, as persistent along the western side of India, but there's still some heavy falls of rain over the next few days. Some showers likely for the Maldives, but dry for Sri Lanka, much of southern India. Again, we are back to the area where the heaviest rain will be over the next few days. And it looks like Mumbai, Dhaka will continue to see some rain, but interspersed with some spells of sunshine. It's the sunshine that continues in Colombo through next week, and barely a change in temperature, 31 Celsius. But those values just starting to fall away in Tashkent through the week, but we'll keep lots of sunshine. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll take a look at the forecast for the Middle East in just a moment's time. First to Africa and the bigger picture, the earlier satellite picture. So here we can see the cloud associated with the areas that have had the heavy and thundery showers in the last 24 hours. Notice how the focus is actually further west across Africa, and further east they become much more sparse and well scattered after a fairly wet start to the season here. Further south in Cape Town, plenty of sunshine through Sunday. That will help temperatures up to around 27 Celsius. The heat continues through Libya and Algeria, 40 Celsius in Tripoli on Sunday afternoon. Now, we'll keep the sunshine in Cape Town into the early part of the week, but then the temperatures just start to leak away as we pick up more cloud. Conversely, we'll have lots of sunshine in Johannesburg and the temperatures will start to rise a little bit. We continue with our city forecast, and you can see that Casablanca looks to be dry through next week. Sunny spells, 24 or 25 Celsius, the top temperature. Across to the Middle East then, where for most it is going to stay dry, lots of sunshine, but we are picking up a shamal wind. Now, given these very high temperatures and the wind lifting up some dust, some fairly unpleasant and uncomfortable conditions in places, may just catch a few showers through the Gulf of Aden. You can see that shamal wind extending down through the Persian Gulf, parts of Iraq as well. So here's our city forecast. Little change really, lots of sunshine and very high temperatures. Bye-bye.